Just wanted to make sure I'm gonna record this. Yes, hey guys. Well, you see, I'm recording this video because I have to make sure there's, sorry about that. Anyways, also, yes, the reason why I'm doing this, yeah, there's two. The reason why I'm doing this is because about that fire, the recording all the, no, it's not about fire actually. The reason why I'm recording this video is because of my hearing of, the fireworks. Why's my dog coughing, by the way? But anyways, yeah, she was choking on grass or something else. I don't know, like food or something. Depends on what she eats. Yes, Romy's a female, by the way, so I have a pet chihuahua. I call her a dog, though. I like the nickname better. But chihuahua sounds good. Oh yeah, sorry about that. That flash is because I was probably touching it. Well, but I don't have anything. Oh yeah, I think that happens. Tends to happen. I don't know. Maybe for no reason actually. Just tends to do it. Maybe my phone is. Maybe it's flashing for no reason at all. It's just. Oh man. Oh yeah, it's my closet, by the way. It's really nice in there. There's a clock. It's spelled CLOCK. Also, I haven't heard any fireworks yet, so I'm just gonna end the video. Sorry guys, but I think this is the time to end the video. Bye.